We're over here at the XCMG factory testing ground at the moment here in China. We're joined together with the engineers and the operators and maintainers from the group. We're about to test our XCMG decarbonised machines. I'm standing here at the moment in front of our water cart, built in collaboration with XCMG. The machine runs on no diesel. It is a fully battery electric machine. The first prototypes of these machines will arrive in the Pilbara later this year, followed by a complete rollout and delivery through 2027 of our battery electric fleet. The water carts, our graders, our wheel dozers and our wheel loaders will be the first machines to come off the production line. The cost to run them is significantly cheaper than running a diesel asset. We've got our own solar and our own wind being installed, and these machines will be the first to run on that green energy that we're producing. The feedback has been fantastic. That gives me huge confidence that the machines that we've built with XCMG will be a success. This new technology presents a huge milestone for mining equipment. Real zero, consuming no diesel, these machines are the next echelon in mining.